Alright, good morning everybody. Hope you all had a good weekend. Bitcoin's pumping. We made half our losses back. I made half my losses back yesterday in a single trade. Money flow's coming in. I need to see what the 1 hour is doing right now. VWAP's coming up, money flow's coming up. Looks like a good place for a long. 2 hour coming up, printing a green dot. Looks like markets are going to open in the green. I'm not super thrilled about the divergences on the 4, the 3, the 2. Not super thrilled about those bear divs, but we are in an uptrend, so I'm not interested in shorting right now. Daily looks, excuse me. 2-day. Green dot confirmed, money's ripping up. 3-day, printing a green dot. 7-day, VWAP's curving up. Money looks like she's gonna start curving back up. Looks good on the weekly too. Okay, so we did just confirm this. 10-minute money flow is coming into the green. You confirmed your VWAP as support. It's a good place. Good place. I might enter a little long here. Because money flow is coming up. VWAP is support. Putting in barriers though. You gotta watch that. You gotta watch that. I'm not super comfortable. With the long up here. I mean, she looks good. It's the core strategy, right? Wait for that money flow to come in on the 15. It's already in on the 10. Just came back in on the 10. Got the little splash. Come right back in. VWAP's coming up. Confirmed VWAP as support. See, where was we in at on the money flow right here? Got in yesterday. I am glad I took my profits. Took my profits about right here. Got half of my losses back because I was getting eaten alive with fees, not even realizing it. I should be without commissions taken out. I should be up $47, almost $50, but with commissions taken out, I'm down 55. Yeah, she's going. Damn, she's going. That sharp tick up right there. I've got to come to these charts about an hour earlier. I mean, I was looking at it, getting the stream ready, and the 10-minute was curving down. Money flow was coming out. 1 hour wasn't looking that hot, but now she got exactly what I wanted to see, that uptick. And the crossover here, money flow still in the green, red there. I don't know, maybe we can get a little, I don't want to open on the top of the candle. Get just a slight pullback, and I'm still really nervous about all the bear divs starting to form on these higher time frames, right? I mean, she's definitely got room to go up, okay? She definitely has room to go up. And you might put in a new trigger wave if this VWAP just starts shooting up on this 3 hour. or trigger wave, anchor wave, excuse me. But yeah, I'm just nervous about these. I feel like these bear divs will give us a better entry into a long, because she is looking good on these daily time frames, the higher time frames here. The 3-day VWAP coming up, money flow shooting up, right? 3-day VWAP's about to cross over. You're printing the green dot. Yeah, it's probably gonna confirm today, right? And then we'll make higher highs. We're gonna make a higher high, even if it's not an all-time high. We can candlestick some of these wicks right here, right? Candlestick some of these wicks and see a bearish div. It's like I said, I'm just not feeling that great about longing the top right here with so many bear divs. The long was yesterday. Long was yesterday. Right here. Right here is where we went long. Why'd I take the trade? I'll show you on the 10-minute. That's where we took the trade from. Right here. Some deep waves. You got your general direction to the upside. Money flow's curving up. Real nice curve up to it. Right? And then right here, your money flow came in. You got VWAP as support. That was key. VWAP as support. Confirmed it. VWAP started coming up off the zero line. Money flow coming in. We went to the 1 hour. What did we see? We saw a big old green dot printing. VWAP bouncing off the zero. Money flow had just started coming in. Okay. What was the 2 hour looking like? 2 hour was printing a green dot, or getting ready to pinch off and print the green dot, but that VWAP started coming up. VWAP was coming up. That was the trade. That was the trade. I'm not too interested in trading the top right here. I'm looking for a little reset, right? A little reset that could take us higher. Money flow is looking good on the 1 hour though. VWAP's coming up nice. Confirmed the VWAP as support. You're probably gonna put in a higher high, but I'm just nervous about these bear divs starting to form on these higher time frames. I'd like to see them play out. I'd like to see the red dots play out with another uptick in the VWAP, right? And then we'll catch the next div. Because I'm not 100% confident in longing from these levels. Glad I didn't. I figured we should too. I wanted the long right here when money flow started crossing over. And you had your green dot on the market cipher, about 2 hours ago. But see, when I came here, it looks like it was about to pinch off again. Wasn't really backing me. The 2 hour looked good. Yeah, she has more room to go up. Are we going to get past what, 108, 109, whatever the all-time high was? 110. Fucking no. We can go ahead and get rid of this line right now. He's at 108. 108K, right? Yeah. Definitely possible. Money flow is coming up. Money flow's looking real good. Money flow's looking pretty good right now. And then, like I said, these dailies, these high time frames, 2-day. Look at that. Money flow just ripping up almost to the 60 line. The 3-day. Green dot starting to print. It will confirm in the next 9 hours. VWAP's crossing over. Okay. Does this mean we're going to come up and pass 108? Not necessarily. We could just candle wick up here, right? Could just wick some of the, or candlestick some of these wicks. Come on down. But that's good. That's good. Looking good. I just can't take the chance of it having a scam wick down, right? Can't take the chance of one of these scam wicks down. That is looking good though. That is looking good, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. If you think you can do it, do it. And, you know, I don't like that 1 hour out of the 1 hour is looking. I'm just not super confident in this. Not super confident in it. I'm not interested in shorting the uptrend. The 5 days, 6 days now uptrend. Not really interested in shorting on an uptrend. But boy, I'm glad I didn't take that long. Cause I don't think that's the right entry point. It just didn't feel right. Okay. Are we back in the red? Yeah, look at that. It just didn't feel right. Something didn't feel right about it. And we did not take it. Oh. If you're trading on breakout, be aware. It takes money to open and close your trade. Obviously, there's fees in any exchange, right? Some higher, some lower. I can't believe I forgot about them. I didn't trade for like 6-7 months, maybe even 8. Yeah, probably close to 8 months, and I forgot all about my fees, all about my commissions. And boy, did they wreck me. But when I started yesterday, I was down $96, and now I'm only down $54. Okay. Made half the losses back in that one trade with all the confluences we wanted to see. Not really the confluences we wanted to see on this one. When money flow was coming back in, now she's right back out. Not saying she's not going to keep going. You know, this could be, we could get a nice little entry long. Okay, she comes down enough. Nice little entry on a long. She comes down enough. See, my stop loss would have been, if I got in where I wanted to, it would have been right around here. Just a little under the VWAP, like 99.5, 0.5. Not there, but I probably would have been in a negative trade right now. I'm glad I didn't take it. She just didn't look good. That money flow was coming out, right? Money flow was coming out. She could come right back in. Same on the 10, money flow was coming out. Wasn't looking like a great place to long. VWAP's about to cross over. That is what we're looking for, though, is a long. We are in the uptrend. We want to catch the long. No real bull divs on this 10 minute. That's another key part of the strategy. Have some dibs. If you got some dibs, it's just going to make the trade a lot stronger. But like I said, I'm nervous. I'm nervous about the bear divs. Forming on the 4-hour VWAP's coming down. Money flow is looking good though. Money flow is looking good. So these bear divs, looks like she could bounce here on the 3-hour. Looks like she could bounce here. I'm pretty sure he's forming what? Could have swore it was here on the 2. And now we're not even forming the green dot or red dot. Looks like she's gonna pinch though. Looks like she's pinching soon, and those are bear divs, right? They could take us down. Damn, there she went. Your boy would have been stopped out had I took that long. Ooh, blood diamond. Blood diamond. Watch it. Watch it if she confirms. You got 3 minutes. Watch it. Let's see if there's a blood diamond on the 3. Boy, I'm glad I didn't take that long. It just wasn't adding up. Just wasn't adding up. Wow. I told you I was nervous about these bear divs. Yep, see, now the 2-hour. Now the 3-hour. She wasn't there freaking 10 seconds ago. Okay. So we're going to have to watch those bear divs. The VWAP. We got to make sure she's strong. Okay, you want to see the bounces off the 0 line, right? You want to see the bounces off the 0 line. Oh, glad I didn't take that long. Blood diamond on the 10 minute. Watch out. Watch out. She'll confirm. She'll confirm in 2 minutes. She's dumping. See, money flow had just started coming back in. And we're in the red now. She came down. She came back in. You had the 1 hour kind of looking decent, actually. She was. The VWAP was kind of poking up here. But then I saw the bear divs on the 2, the 3, technically the 1 hour too. But that just screams like it's gonna correct at some point, right? 41 minutes left. Not looking that great. Now this could just be that scam wick I was just talking about. I didn't want to get in on the long and then get taken out by a freaking scam wick, which is exactly what happened. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And thanks to myself for 3 years of just sitting here learning. 3 years of sitting here learning to be able to call it, to know, be like, don't get in that trade. 3 years ago, I would have got in that trade. And I would have got wrecked. Not today. No. Alright. She is just continuing to drop. Let's see how deep the momentum's getting on the 5. Money flow's about to come out. It's already came out, huh? Indeed it has. Indeed she has. I was getting tore up on the 1 minutes here. Oh, I'm getting some bear divs or some bull divs on the 1 minute. Right. Or getting some bull divs, but yeah, I'd probably want a green dot. Probably somewhere right here. Yeah, that was it, and it just took off. I mean, you got your price action right here. Use on the VWAP. Just basic strategy there, bull divs. Just divergent strategy with marketcipher. Okay, and then you got money flow coming in, confirming VWAP as support. And that's what I don't like to see either. I don't like to see the money flow and VWAP working against each other. You see the VWAP's trying to cross over, money flow's trying to cross the other way. I don't like to see that. I like to see them working together. I'd like to see this money flow coming this way with VWAP right behind it. If not, just a little in front of it. But I don't want to see the VWAP crossing over with money flow crossing over. That's not going to be good. But the fuck off the 1 minute. I don't have the capital to trade on the 1 minute. I only got like yeah, that scam wick. Those, man, I'm glad I didn't long. I was sitting here thinking, don't miss it. You're gonna miss it. But I just didn't feel comfortable with it. Everything, the bear divs on the 4, the bear divs on the 3, felt like there was a better entry point coming for the long, because I'm still kind of bullish. Still kind of bullish on this week. 2 minute 2 day money flow, freaking high, just coming up. Well, we still got 9 hours. Green dot has confirmed on the 3 day. Printing your green dot, money flow just rocketing up, right? And VWAP's over the 0 line. Just about. She's right there, ain't she? Over the 0 line. She comes over that 0 line. I mean, technically, it's already reacting. It's that big old green candle. And then the 7 day looked good too. 7 day VWAP curving up. Money flow looks like she's going to start curving up. Okay. So I'm still kind of bullish for this week. But for that trade just now, wasn't looking good. Just bear divs on these higher hourly time frames. Okay. Wasn't liking it. Was not liking it. Now we got the blood diamond on the 10. Confirmed. She's still dropping now. Now this is your 200-day moving support right here on the marketcipher SR. Should be the 200-day moving support. EMA. Yeah. That's dual band strength indicator actually. 200 EMA on the dual band strength indicator, not SR. Excuse me. Boy, I'm glad I didn't take that trade. I was like, oh man, it looks like she could be going up. I just wasn't confident. If you're not confident in the trade, don't take it. I was super confident in the trade yesterday that I took. Because everything lined up. Everything lined up. I wasn't seeing. Where was we at on a 4 hour? I think VWAP was coming up. VWAP was coming up. I mean, I saw the bear divs, but it looks like they already played out. VWAP was coming up. Money flow was already in. We took it at 98, 88. Okay. She did wick back down below. I don't think I would have been. No, I would have been stopped out. I would have saw my profit go into the red though, and I would have panicked. That's why we pulled it out, man. She started ripping on the 15. Yeah, see, we got out on this wick. On this wick, she just went so fast. I was like, man, she's coming back down. She went up so quick. She's got to come back down just as fast. Now she didn't come down just as fast, but she still came back down. I'm happy I took my profit. Profit's profit, ladies and gentlemen. Profit is profit. If you won the trade, you won the trade. That's all that matters. Minimize your losses, maximize your gains. That's why we was able to make half of our losses back in a single trade. Took like 15 trades to get there. Made it back in one. Okay? And technically I should be just nothing but profit if I wasn't having commissions, right? I didn't have these frickin' commissions. Let's see. Is this what I can use? Well, let's go here to the trading dashboard. Bring this up. Right, Sean. I'm not going to get in a trade right now. See, we're down negative 55. Golly, look at that. I wish Saturday showed. Saturday would show 44 plus 44. I just can't believe I forgot about my commissions, right? These are all my trades without the commissions, right? Without commissions taken out, these are my trades. And I should be up 47, 37. right? But I'm not. I'm down negative 55 because I forgot all about commissions. Like an absolute fool. Like a fool. But, seeing that, I just thinks I'm winning. Technically, I'm not, but I am. Because that just looks awful, and I know it's better than that. I just knew, because Friday, I took two winners. Friday. Where are they? A $2 one and a $7 one. But turns out it costs about $7 to open and close the trade, right? So it's about $3.50 to open, $3.50 to close. So that $7 one's really about 7 cents. This $2 one is actually a loser. Even though I thought I pulled profit, $2 profit, those small wins add up. Turns out I also had a negative trade. That's a negative $5 trade, bud. You fucking idiot. Can't believe it. Oh man, what a dummy. You see how many trades we took just to get negative 95? Right here we was negative $95. And then I realized what I was doing wrong, because I freaked out Friday. Oh man, I was like, no way. How did I end the day negative $6 with 2 winning trades? Commissions. Fucking missions. Got me good. But we're not doing that shit no more. We're not scalping on the BTC breakout account anymore. We're not doing any scalps. We're looking for those good moves to the upside using the 10, 15, and 1 hour. Okay, and anything above the 1 hour to confirm as well, because this shit looks awful. Ugh. But technically, I am up $47. Even after, so yesterday I was up 3. I was still, before commissions were taken out, I was still up $3. Before, with all these trades right here, I was still up $3 without that $44 trade. And then I realized the commissions, and I knew I had to cover. And then we got into an absolute banger yesterday. Made half of this back. Made half of the losses back. Well, made half of my commissions back. Because technically I wasn't negative in my account. It's just the commissions that got me. Oh, man. I'm just happy I found out before I breached, right? Just happy I found out before I breached. Now the blood diamond's coming on the 15. How far down are we? We're right there at VWAP. Red dot. Yeah, see, look at that freaking candle there. Boy, people are getting wrecked. Both short and long. I don't care if you was short or long. You probably got wrecked on this candle. That's why we sit on our hands. That's why it's important. It's important to learn discipline and patience when you're trading. Like, this shit's the easiest, hardest money you'll ever make. It's so easy. I made 50 fucking bucks in 15 minutes, right? But it's so hard. Oh. Yeah, now we just wait and watch this choppy little price action. We wait for our confirmations, right? We're above VWAP. That's the key for a long, being above VWAP. But golly, those blood diamonds don't look good, and especially on a wick like that. You thought that blood diamond was bad. A wick like this, did you have it on the 10 minute? You didn't even have it on the 10 minute, okay? Now you got it on the 10 and the 15. Usually, hey man, you could see a couple of these blood diamonds, right? You could even see a little pump up and one more blood diamond in, and holy cow, you're back at fucking $97,000. Momentum to the down. Momentum to the downside. Bear divs coming up on the 2, the 3. Come on, internet. The fuck is going on? Where's my market cipher? Okay. The 2, the 3. The 4. She's got a fucking dump. The 4. Just bare divs. Holy cow. So we could be bottoming out here. Under VWAP. You are under the VWAP. How long we got? 8 minutes. See what the 8 minutes talking about. Market open yet? Oh, market just opened. Okay. Market just opened. Wonder if they open green. So we can check. How deep is that money flow in the 10 minutes? Kinda deep, huh? Kinda deep. If we can put a decent wave in, down here, a decent bottom wave, with money flow coming up and we're getting close to the VWAP, that could be our position along it to a new high. Not a new high, not all-time high, but just on this 10-minute chart here. You know, fucking 100 and what? 5? More than likely 102. Long it from here to 102. If we get our confirmations. See what the markets are doing. That's not what I wanted. She's giving me country markets around here. Something. It looks up. Fucking nothing. There she goes. Market's open green, and there she goes. Still not happy with it. I'm still not super happy with it. There's more added on here somewhere. Let's check on something right now. Everything opened in the green. The Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ. Yeah, still didn't like it. I don't know if we're going to get above VWAP. We need to open above VWAP. When money flow coming in, I need a deeper wave. Gonna need a deeper wave, I feel like. And chop suey right now. A lot of chop suey going on. Money flows coming into the green. You got bull divs on the 5. Don't really like that 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour still coming down. I need the 1 hour to be bullish to take the long. 2 hour bear divs. Watch it. VWAP's curving to the downside. Super wicks going on. Holy John Wick, Batman. Oh, that 3 hour red dot. 20 minutes till it confirms. That's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe it doesn't play out though. They don't always play out, right? Like you got your green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot. Like a lot of choppiness. I mean, a lot of movement on the wicks. We'll have to wait and see, but I guarantee you, if this 3 hour red dot does confirm, then it'll print. It'll start printing right here on the 4. And I'm just not super excited about longing with bear divs all over the higher time frames, these higher hourly time frames. Now you get past these higher hourly. Let's actually go to the 8. The 8. That's not looking terrible. Not looking terrible. The VWAP needs to stay on the uptrend. If you see her come down any, that's not a good sign. But like I said, the 2-day money flow is just ripping up. Okay. 3-day. Pretty sure there's a green dot being printed right now. Yes, indeed, green dot, VWAP crossing over. 7-day, I know 7-day looks good. That VWAP is what looks good to me. That 7-day VWAP. Now she could reject off the 0 line. That's why we wait for our confirmations. She could reject off the 0 line, but she is looking like she's gonna pass over. Same on the weekly. Just a beautiful curve in it, man. Just so it looks like we could have some room to run this week to the upside, especially being we opened the week at 99. Oh yeah, she's looking good, but fuck that. Fuck trading any of this. What is that, like a freaking, what's the low, 98.6 to 99.2? Don't trade this. I wouldn't trade this unless you're just really freaking confident in whatever you see that I don't. I'm not trading this. I mean, unless you're on the 1 minute scalping, go ahead. But even here, you got money flow come in and then boom. Fucking money's coming in, boom, she's crashing. Money flow's coming in, you're getting above VWAP. Got some nice negative numbers on the top there. Not for me though. Not for me. Not off of what this 1 hour looks like. Just so indecisive. So indecisive. We're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait for her to make up her mind here. Are these bear divs gonna really play out like talking about? We'll wait. We'll see. 20 minutes. So where's my 20 minutes? That's 24. 20 minutes is a green VWAP crossing over. Okay. It's funny, you know, it just happened. Anyone who's long right here, been long around the VWAP levels probably just got stopped out. And now anyone who's going short, who's like, oh shit, it's crashing, let's go short, is getting stopped out. Okay, people are getting tore up right now. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. That's exactly what's happening. Anyone who is long from around the VWAP, look at that wick. From VWAP to here. That's actually still a good trade. It's the high leverage people getting stopped out. You got 5x leverage, 10x leverage even. Yeah, you go in the negative, but I don't think you're getting stopped out. Or liquidated. Definitely not getting liquidated off that if you're long from here and it comes down here. Unless you're just crazy leverage. And now she's just pumping. She's just pumping. That's what I feel like just happened. Everybody who was long just got wrecked. Now anyone who saw these candles just coming down, saw these just little dump, they're like, oh shit, let's short the bottom. And then the market maker said, give us that money. Fatality. I still don't see anything I like. Still not seeing anything I like. I mean, the bull divs, they're playing out now. VWAP crossover. Money flow's coming in. So 1 hour looking light. 1 hour has a red dot. Shit. It's not back in the 5. Is it going to confirm? I don't know. She's pumping hard enough to where she may not confirm. You could see this red dot go away in the next 15 minutes. Let's see what the 15's gonna do. Just jagged, low. Red lines probably gonna get lower. Your red dots, I mean. Yeah, I'm not trading this right now. I'm not gonna trade this right now. Just not looking that great. I mean, money flow looks like she's getting ready to come back in, right? But I'm just the higher time frames ain't backing my lower time frames. I'm just seeing bear divs on the higher hourly time frames. And look at that. Look at that. The red dot went away. Red dot went away. When I saw the, looks like she's gonna curve up. Could you put in a new anchor wave? Perhaps. And she's ripping now. She went down. Now she's going up. Who would have thought? Still nothing. I'm not taking it. Not taking it. Market's open green. Looks like she's about to hit 100K. But guess what? Now on the 5 minute, you're going to start putting in bear divs as well. You get up higher here, unless this momentum way, I just don't see it. I don't see it. It's already curving back down. I don't see it getting to a new anchor wave status. I'd call this my anchor, I guess. She's gonna get higher. She's looking good. You see, you got the 10, the 15, the 16, the 17 above VWAP. Money flow coming in. 1 hour red dot went away. I'm still not trading that. I'm not longing this. I'm not gonna long the top of a freaking wick like that. No, we're gonna wait. We're gonna sit here and wait. She's looking good. She's looking. I'm not gonna lie. She's just the money flow on these 2, 3, 4. I mean, it's coming up. Yeah, you got the dibs, but the money is there. Money is there. And then on the 2-day, money. The 3-day green dot was printing. VWAP coming up. Money coming up. She's looking good. Okay? She is looking good, but I'm not longing the top of this freaking candle. I want to wait. I want to wait and long around VWAP. That's where we want to long. We want to long around VWAP with all our confirmations. I mean, look at those wicks. Jeez. We're going to wait for her to calm down a little bit. We'll wait for her to calm down a little bit so we can get some clarity. Get a little bit more data. Right? Because we would have went long, what, on the 10 minute, I think it was. When money flow was coming in. Right here. Green dot, money flow. You got your splash. I said, oh shit, this could be it. Right? I would have got stopped out. And I would have lost everything I made yesterday. Because the 1 hour didn't look good. 1 hour was putting in a red dot. I mean, it's not no more, but it was. She was putting in that red dot. Now your VWAP's kind of flatlining. We're gonna hold here for 10 minutes and see what she does. But those wicks, jeez, that. I feel sorry for anyone who was trying to short this. Who hopped into a short when it started coming down a second ago. It was like, oh man, it's crashing, let's short it. Boom. Liquidated. That was me 3 years ago. Not today though. Not today. Surely you took profits. Surely I did. Surely I did take profits. You might only got one more shot. Don't fucking waste it, bud. And here on your terminal, I got my Bollinger Bands, and you are way outside of your bands. So with the Bollinger Bands, you hit your high, you expect to come back down to your middle, come back down to your low, come back to your middle, hit your high, back to the middle, back to the low, back to the high. So back to the middle. But man, she just ripped. Now she's above 100K. Woo, look at that. I'm not trading that. Fuck that. Now it's going to come crashing down. Our all-time highs. Yeah, golly. Oh, look at that wick. Scammy. That's a little scammer. Jesus, bud. And now she's just ripping, right? And now you're going to get bear divs all across the board. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. Sharp tick down, but this doesn't mean that it's just gonna make a red dot right here. That VWAP could ebb and flow. Woo! She freaking ripped. After this dump, got rid of all the longs just to go up. Oh man, anyone who was long and got stopped out or liquidated right here just to see this, just to see that, I feel for you. I feel for you, bud. Because I've been there. I've been right there. Oh, let's long it right here, and then my stop loss is right here. It comes right down to my fucking stop loss, and then poof, takes off. Jeez. Yeah, I didn't see anything I liked. I was thinking about longing right here on this money flow, right, coming in, because the 1 hour wasn't looking great. That's why I didn't take it. The 1 hour was starting to print a red dot somewhere. This VWAP was about to come down. We had a right there on that pinch. The red dot's been there. Okay, she's not there no more. She didn't confirm, obviously, but on that pinch, she was coming. That's why I didn't take the trade. While we wait for confirmations. Well, man, I would have took that trade on that money flow. Should have came up a little bit. I'd have been like, yeah, this is it. And then boom. Fucking boom. I'd have got stopped out. Yeah, I'd have got stopped out. And then she would have ripped. That's why we didn't take it. Because I didn't have all my confirmation. I wasn't super confident in the trade, right? Well, we got 7 minutes on this 1 hour. Went right through the spider line. See that spider line? They just work so good. So good. Just works right up to it. Let's go to the, this is my breakout chart. Let's go to our Coinbase chart. Looks like you're about to open above this, okay, so this will become support. It was resistance. Your next resistance is going to be around 101, 102K. Man. Now then, we'll watch in 5 minutes. We'll watch to see if this VWAP is going to curve down any or keep blasting up. You might only got one more shot. Should you take profits? See, I don't know. We got a minute 24 on this 5. Definitely put in higher highs. You're gonna need a new trigger wave. We'll need a new trigger wave off this pump. Trigger wave, anchor wave. You're gonna need a new anchor wave, not a new trigger wave. She blasted off. I wanted the long. When the money flow came in, right here, I was really thinking about hitting my send order button, but I would have been wrecked. I got wrecked. These market makers, they know what they're doing. They're like, hey, everybody's going long. Let's stop them out. A lot of stop losses right here if you go from long from the VWAP. Probably a lot of stop losses right here. And then all that money got taken, and she ripped up. And you couldn't even catch it. You couldn't even get back in. By the time you want to get back in, because you're already nervous, you just got stopped out, and then boom, she's ripping. Now you're going to go long on the top of the candle, and she's going to come down. Don't go long on the top of the candles. You're going to go long on the corrections. Or the bottom of the candles. Alright. Oh, the VWAP's not looking good. Looks like some bearish divs are coming in play. Now we can come down, confirm VWAP as support. Money flow shooting straight up. That money is getting thick on all accounts. All accounts. Got the white line. What is that? The 2024 VWAP? Or year to date. Yeah, that's the year to date VWAP. Quarter 4, quarter 3 VWAP. I'm pretty sure the pink one is April VWAP. What is that, quarter 2? Okay, so you got your year to date VWAP down here. Looks like you're flipping your 0.5s to support. This 0.5 will be support. Here's your new resistance. you might only got one more shot. Right there on a spider line though, that OG spider line. You could see a rejection off of it. You could see the candle open above it and keep freaking going. Right? But she's been resistance before. She's been support. She's been support before. Need to make her support again. Resistance. Support. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got 2 minutes. Hey, look at that. Wow. Wow. Looks like a new anchor wave on the 2 maybe? Not quite. Not quite. Starting to lose some momentum, it looks like, on your DBSIs.
Find your favorite TV shows on
You're going into the positives.
Stars, MGM Plus, and more.
It was -2, now it's a 1. It's not a -21. Shit, it might be. I'm just kidding. Now it's a 5, losing a little bit of momentum here. Losing some momentum. Well, now everyone who longed the top of that candle is about to get wrecked. No, we're bumping, let's long it. Yep. More bear divs are coming on the 5. Technically, let's see if that's your... Yeah, so trigger wave. Momentum is just getting lower. Trigger wave, I don't know why I get them mixed up. Anchor wave. Anchor! These are your triggers, you know. Trigger wave. Trigger wave. And I just don't see her putting it in a new anchor wave off this. VWAP's coming down way too hard. Way too hard. We need to see an uptick. Need to see an uptick in the VWAP if we want this wave to continue in the next 40 seconds. In the next 40 seconds, what are we, the 5? 1 hour is 30 seconds away as well. Right there on the OG spider line. Gonna open above the OG spider line. This, or maybe not. Maybe not. She could be resistance. Open right underneath it. See what that VWAP does on this 1 hour, and then we'll go back to the 5. I'd be curious if it starts to come over. I mean, money flow still looks good, right? Money flow still looking good. Doesn't look like you're gonna open above that spider line either. Right underneath it. VWAP starting to curve down a bit. I don't know. I'm not really liking it. Did the 2 hour just reset? No, we got an hour. 3 hour did just reset. Did she confirm? What'd she do? What is she saying now? Come on. Come on, Cypher B. Hell yeah, she's putting in a new anchor wave. Putting in a new anchor wave on the 3. Which means you're gonna have room to run. You're gonna be able to create some more bear divs here. I mean, VWAP is curving down a bit. And this could just be another trigger wave here. She's getting pretty high though. She's getting pretty high. Looks like she could invalidate this as your trigger. She's coming down. Watch the 10 minute. I'm sure you're able to get a lot of bear divs off this price action. Well, she's not looking hot. She's not looking hot. You got your little rip up. She's not looking hot. Now for the week she's looking good, but in the moment, after that rip, see anybody who's like, oh yeah, let's long it at 100K. Still not bad actually. Candle up but open above 100K, that's not bad actually. But anyone who try to just catch the FOMO into this long, I wouldn't do it. Not saying it won't work out for you, I wouldn't do it. VWAP's starting to curve up. Yeah, I think we're about to put in some new anchor waves on these higher hourlies. Some higher hourlies. This could be it. Could be some new anchor waves forming. Okay. She's looking good. If we do make new anchor waves and the bear divs are, look at that green dot on the 2 starting to form. Got an hour, yeah. We could be putting in new anchor waves. And if that's the case, super bullish for the week. We put in new anchor waves, we're already at 101. Look at her. All these, everything I was worried about freaking 20 minutes ago could be invalidated. Very, very well invalidated with these new anchor waves forming. You see momentum's getting higher than it was back here with price. Okay. Very well could freaking rip all the way to a new all-time high this week. Right? She very well could rip to an all-time high this week. Especially with the 2-day money flow ripping up, right? Money flow thick, 3-day green dot. Looking to confirm. VWAP's already over. Money flow ripping up. We're looking for longs. We're not longing the top of the candles though. Okay, we're not gonna long the top of the candles. We're gonna wait to long around VWAP. Long it around the VWAP. Yeah, I'm gonna give it an hour or two and see if we can put in some new. Yeah, I'll give it an hour. See if we can put in some new anchor waves, or if this is gonna clip off and still be a bear div, or is it gonna come way up here and become your new anchor wave? We'll see. We will see. If anything, it's just good practice right here. This is good practice, right? We want to be able to read and get as much data as we can. We want to make sure our moves are confident. We didn't catch that. That's okay. We didn't have all our confirmations, and it turns out she just ripped anyway. There might have been someone on the chart like, oh yeah, I see it about to go up. I didn't see it. I really didn't. But then everything that had me not seeing it got in fucking 10 seconds, everything got invalidated, right? Because I did have a red dot forming on the hour when money flow was crossing over on the 10. I didn't want to take it. But now it's all invalidated. If this would have been the green dot, just a green dot without a red dot forming here, it was starting to print, I would have took it. But VWAP didn't look all that great. Looks like she could have came back down, but she didn't. It took 2 seconds to invalidate everything. So now we're gonna wait. We have to wait again. That's fine, because we didn't lose either. We didn't win. We didn't get in on the trade, but we didn't fucking lose either. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. We'll make sure. We'll try to long it around the VWAP. That's where you want to long around, either just right under. If you can get it under the VWAP, you put in that long under the VWAP. right here. If you could have put in a long right there. What time was this? Like 7 something? 6 something? My time? I don't know. Or this is yesterday, ain't it? Yesterday. Today's the 6th. Today is the 6th. Okay. So yeah, if you could have put in that long right there, right? Bear div or bull div long. That's what you want. You get above the VWAP. Man, you would have caught them divs on that 5, 10 minute. Ooh. Ooh. You just hold it. She never looked back, did she? I mean, that's basic market cipher strategy. Bull divs. Bull divs. Price divergence with market cipher. Damn it, Bull. Alright. Well, I appreciate everybody who tuned in. I'm going to give it an hour or two. We will be back 5:30, 5:45 p.m. Central Time to trade the VWAP reset. See if we can't catch a move. I'll be keeping an eye on these charts throughout the day. I do have to run into town here in a minute, get a couple of groceries, but we will wait and see. Man, she was choppy. We need to see if we're going to make new anchor waves. I'm really positive we're going to make new anchor waves on these higher hour time frames. You got money flow on your higher time frames. Looking real good. Maybe not on the daily, but VWAP is curving up. That's good. You can see the money flow maybe start curving up too. But this 2-day, beautiful. Beautiful looks to the upside. Okay. Money flow is just ripping almost to the 60 line. VWAP's crossing over. I'm almost guaranteed this red or green dot's going to confirm. 7-day VWAP coming up to 0, looking like she's going to cross over. Looks like money flow is going to start curving back up. Same on the weekly. I mean, 7-day weekly, same fucking thing, right? But just a little different. Just a little different. Okay. Well, that's going to do it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Looks like we could very well hit all-time highs this week. Very well could. Especially if we can get the VWAP to cross over. Let's see about a 5-day. Where's a 5-dayer? I'm going to have to make it 5 days. Add it. Where's my 5-day? Oh yeah, look at that. VWAP's getting ready to cross over. Money flow's coming up. You put in a higher high. Bear div, I mean, she's looking good. She's looking good. She's looking like we're going to put in an all-time high this week. Get ready. Be prepared. I mean, everything could invalidate in 30 seconds, but she's looking pretty freaking good right now. And that will do it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We'll be back around 5:30, 5:45 p.m. Central Time for the daily VWAP reset. Y'all have a good day.